Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to get probably the most important document that you need in order to start the process for a VA loan. The Covenant Certificate of Eligibility, or COE. Stick around as I break down what it is, how to obtain it, and what's on it. Once again, I'm your host, Rob Bell, the VA Loan Pro. As a mortgage loan officer with over 2 decades of experience and a U.S. Army veteran, I'm your highly motivated subject matter expert on all things VA loan. As I go through this presentation, don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer them personally. Good to go? So what exactly is a COE? It's a document from the Department of Veteran Affairs that certifies that you are an eligible active duty service member, veteran, or surviving spouse. It also breaks down how much entitlement you currently have. Now let's talk about how you can get your hands on one. There's 3 ways you can get your COE. The first way is by mail. You can obtain and fill out the VA Form 26-1880, supply all your discharge paperwork, and mail that to your local regional loan center. If you want to find out which one is for your area, you can find that in the resource section on my website, along with the VA form. This process usually takes a few weeks, but once approved, you'll receive your certificate of eligibility in the mail. The second way is on the VA website, www.va.gov. So here we are on the va.gov website. Once you sign into your account, you're simply going to go to VA Benefits and Healthcare, go down to Housing Assistance, request a COE online. You're going to wait a few seconds for it to generate. And once it's there, you're going to download your COE. If there's any issues of them issuing that COE, they'll let you know what you need to provide in order to get that obtained. The third and easiest way is to have a VA certified loan officer do it for you. We have access to WebLGY. It takes us about 60 seconds to get it done, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about what information you can expect to find on a certificate of eligibility. I'm going to pull mine up here real quick. I brought up mine here. It's going to be a little different than yours because I already have a VA loan, but we'll get the gist of it. The first thing you want to verify is that your personal information is correct. There's my name. Verify your last 4 is correct. I've blocked that up. Right here we'll have your entitlement code. Now the entitlement code, I'll bring up a little graphic here. It's going to show what time era that you served in, or if you've already used your benefits, as I have, it shows 05, so my entitlements have been restored. Here will show what branch of service that you are in or reserves. Also, it's going to show if you are exempt from the funding fee and if you have a service-connected disability with a monthly award. So in order to be exempt from that funding fee, you need to have a 10% rating or higher. It's also going to show your remaining basic entitlement. The basic entitlement for me right now is 0 because I already have a VA loan and I've used $121,500 of my entitlement. If you haven't used your VA loan or you've paid off your existing VA loan, that should show $36,000. Now I'll go into a whole nother video on how to understand that entitlement and what bonus entitlement is. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification button and you'll get a full in-depth video on how to calculate your entitlement and how much house you can buy with a VA loan. If you're looking for your first home, your second home, your third home, yes, you can have more than one VA loan out at a time. The other thing that we're going to look at, if it's a subsequent use for the funding fee, this only applies if you are not exempt from the funding fee. Having this document in hand is going to streamline your home buying process. So make sure you keep it safe. And there you have it. Those are the 3 ways you can get your certificate of eligibility. Remember, if you're a veteran exploring your home ownership options, this is going to be the first document you need to work on obtaining. Thanks again for tuning in. And if you felt that I earned it, please like this video, share it with your buddies, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable information regarding everything VA loans. As always, stay informed, stay alert, and stay alive. Your VA Loan Pro out.